Hello guys, today we are going to learn about electronics component and devices. These are the topics which we are going to cover in this course. The first topic is application of electronics in different field. The next topic is a brief introduction to active component and devices. The next topic would be passive components. The next topic would be voltage and current sources. The next topic is semiconductor diode. Then next topic would be introduction to bipolar transistor. Then next topic would be transistor biasing and stabilization of operating point. The next topic would be single stage transistor amplifier. The next topic would be field effect transistor. Then next topic would be MOSFET. Then last topic would be CMOS. Then first topic is application of electronics in different field, which we are going to learn in this video. What is the application? First, electronics are used in nearly every aspect of modern life, and their uses are changing a number of fields. Here are some important fields in which electronics are essential. That means electronics are very important. Electronics are playing crucial role in these fields. First field is communication. Telecommunication, mobile phone, the internet, satellite communication, and these enables global connectivity and instant communication. Without electronics, mobile communication is not possible, telecommunication is not possible, and the internet, satellite, these are the electronics is essential for these communications. This is the telecommunication. This is if you see any tower nearby you, that means that is based on telecommunication. And this is the mobile communication. I'm sure you all guys are using mobile communication, and that's is right. And now next is internet communication, and last one is satellite communication. There is so many other communication also, like verbal communication, non-verbal communication, which is not the electronics part but the way of communication. And next is the role of electronics in healthcare. We can see like multiple kind of electronic machines are being used in medical, in healthcare, and like MRI, CT scan, X-ray, wearable health monitoring devices. There is so many other devices which are being used and which is helping to work efficiently. And next, the role of electronics in the field of entertainment, television, gaming console, audio system, streaming services, and virtual reality. There is other so many technologies which is recently being introduced, and there is so many technology which is coming. These all technologies, electronics is playing very crucial role. And next, we can see in the transport industry, engine control unit, GPS, autonomous vehicles, electric cars, traffic management system. These are the things that depends on electronics. Next, a very boom industry, that's aerospace industry, and that's totally like one of very important part is electronics. Like we need navigation system, we need radar system, we need satellite communication, we need weapon system, unmanned aerial vehicles. These are these roles of electronics, the role of electronics in aerospace industry. And just take a particular industry and look at the point of electronics. The aspects of electronics, what you need exactly. If you see in the education field, in energy field, in manufacturing, agriculture, environmental monitoring, finance, research and development, every industry needs electronics now. Electronics is very important. And in next lecture we will learn about brief introduction to active components and devices. And thank you so much. Thank you.